Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best dock levelers is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for any loading dock operation, ensuring smooth and safe transitions between the dock and trucks. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of dock levelers, exploring various types, their functionalities, and the key factors to consider when choosing the right one for your business, so you can make informed decisions and optimize your loading and unloading processes. Number 5. Vestil E4824 Aluminum Dock Plate. This dock plate is designed to bridge the gap between the truck and the loading dock. It makes loading and unloading much easier. This is a great tool for any warehouse. Made of aluminum alloy, it's both lightweight and resistant to corrosion. This means it's easy to handle and will last a long time. It's a smart investment. It features bolt-on zinc-plated legs and lifting handles for easy setup and use. The beveled edges provide a smooth transition for your equipment. You will find it very convenient. The beveled edges allow for a smooth transition for your equipment. This helps to prevent damage and makes the loading process more efficient. It is a great feature. With a 5,200 pounds capacity, it can handle a wide range of loads. This makes it suitable for various applications. It is a reliable and safe choice. What we like. This dock plate is made of lightweight aluminum alloy, making it easy to handle and maneuver. Its resistance to corrosion ensures a long lifespan, even in harsh environments. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-use solution for bridging the gap between trucks and docks, this is a great choice. What people say. The dock leveler has a robust design. The leveler's hydraulic system operates smoothly and efficiently. The product is well built and functions as expected. Number 4. CARMTEK Camper Leveler 2-Pack Kit. This system prevents the chocks from sliding. The grip channels align with the notches based on the RV's weight. The heavier the RV, the more channels will line up for secure leveling. Built with high-performance polymer, this leveler is made to last. It can handle trailers up to 35,000 pounds and tires up to 32 inches in diameter. You can rely on it for years to come. Forget about leveling blocks. This system makes leveling your trailer quick and accurate. You can level it between 1, 2 and 4 inches in under 5 minutes. For some dual-axle trailers, trimming may be needed. You can cut up to 4 inches off without any issues. The package includes clear instructions for trimming. You're covered with a lifetime warranty. If you have any problems, you're guaranteed a free replacement or a full refund. This ensures your satisfaction. What we like. This camper leveler features a patented anti-slip jointing system, ensuring your RV stays secure while leveling. Built with heavy-duty construction, it's designed to last a lifetime. If you are tired of struggling with leveling blocks and want a fast and precise leveling system, this product will make your camping experience much easier. What people say. The dock leveler has a robust design. The leveler's hydraulic system operates smoothly. The product is well engineered for heavy-duty use. Number 3. RecPro Pontoon Boat Ramp, 600 pounds capacity. Introducing the RecPro Pontoon Boat Ramp. This ramp is designed to make your boating experience easier and safer. It's the perfect solution for loading and unloading. Made from lightweight yet durable aluminum, it's built to last. This ramp is easy to handle and can withstand regular use. With a 600-pound capacity, it can handle various items. Whether it's coolers, equipment, or even pets, it can support them all. The ramp measures 74 inches long, 21 inches wide, and 138 inches deep. It also includes a pull handle for easy maneuvering. This ramp makes boarding from docks and shores safe for everyone. It's ideal for children, adults, and anyone needing assistance. What we like. This pontoon boat ramp is made of lightweight aluminum, making it easy to carry and set up. It has a 600 pounds capacity and a non-slip surface, ensuring safety for everyone. If you like easy loading and unloading from docks and shores, this ramp is perfect for you. What people say. Works great, installation was easy. Quality made and easy installation. The ramp slides in and out very smooth, and I don't know how we got along without it. I weigh 230 pounds and ramp doesn't give at all when walking on it. It's really sturdy and slip resistant. Also, it's really light and easy to deploy. Number 2. Aluminum dock board, 10,000 pounds capacity. This aluminum dock board is designed for heavy-duty use. It has a maximum capacity of 10,000 pounds and a 5-inch rise, making it ideal for various loading tasks. The board features high-visibility safety yellow painted steel curbs. This helps to ensure safe operations and prevent accidental runoffs. It includes a steel transport chain with a quick U-bolt attachment. This allows for easy and secure fastening to the dock or trailer. The diamond plate surface provides added traction. This feature helps to prevent slippage, ensuring safety during loading and unloading. The dock board is constructed from durable aluminum. It measures 60 by 36 by 38 inches, offering a robust solution for your loading needs. What we like. This dock board boasts a high 10,000 pounds capacity, making it suitable for heavy-duty use. The diamond plate surface provides excellent traction, and the safety yellow curbs enhance visibility. If you have a need for a robust and safe dock board for your loading operations, you should consider this one. What people say. The dock leveler is easy to install. The dock leveler has a smooth transition. The dock leveler is very durable. Number 1. Shipping container booster leveler with 16-ton jack. Tired of uneven shipping containers? This product offers a fast and easy solution. It allows you to adjust and secure the level of your container quickly. Lifting the container from one bottom corner, this tool levels it with the ground in minutes. It's designed for efficiency, saving you time and effort. This booster leveler is load tested to lift up to a 50,000 pounds container. It can handle heavy loads, providing reliable performance for your needs. Constructed with tough iron, this product ensures stability and strength. Its robust design guarantees durability and long-lasting use. Designed to meet ANSI-PALD standards, this product offers peace of mind. You can trust its quality and adherence to safety regulations. What we like. This shipping container leveler provides a fast and easy solution for leveling shipping containers. Its tough iron construction ensures stability and strength. If you have a shipping container that needs leveling quickly and efficiently, this product is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The dock leveler is easy to install. The dock leveler has a robust design. The dock leveler is very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.